Good evening and welcome to Bizworld. The country's third quarter gross domestic product GDP is estimated to expand by 13.5% year-on-year this year. Stockbroking firm CGS-CIMB stated the growth is driven by recovery in tourism-related segments as well as the low base effect. The firm said the pace of growth, an acceleration from 8.9% in the second quarter, was suggested by recent economic data that covered close to 80% of GDP. Government intervention on administered prices and heavy subsidies has also minimized erosion of household disposable income, lending support to consumption growth. Meanwhile, MIDF Amanah Investment expects the third quarter to grow 12.5%, buoyed by strong recovery in the labor market, which hit record high. RHB Investment, in the meantime, said Malaysia will avert a technical recession and expects the third quarter growth to be between 10 and 12%. The government is scheduled to release the Q3 GDP data on Friday. 30% of mid-market enterprises, MMEs, expect sales to grow between 15 and 20% next year. This with another 25% expecting sales to grow even more despite softening economic growth globally. Now, a survey by HSBC Bank found that the optimism of sales growth in 2023 stemmed from two major catalysts, with more than half of the MMEs sharing that the introduction of new products and services for their businesses, as well as technology-driven efficiencies in their operations, will be major growth drivers. The ability to attract investments and secure financing for their business and increasing domestic demand were the other two top drivers cited by the MMEs. The survey polled a total of 171 chief executive officers and chief financial officers from local MMEs. The price of crude palm oil, CPO, is projected to sustain at above 4,000 ringgit per tonne for the coming months, supported by near-term supply concerns and price competitiveness. According to Hong Leong Investment Bank research, lower near-term palm supply concerns are rising due to seasonally low palm oil production cycle and the onset of La Nina. The upward momentum in the CPO prices will also be buoyed by uncertainties on the fate of the Black Sea grain corridor and easing concerns on Indonesia's palm oil stockpiles. However, the firm expects CPO to start trending lower from second quarter 2023 on the back of better supply visibility for vegetable oils arising from the easing labor shortage in Malaysia. The price will also be weighed down by heightening global recession risk and build-up in inventories in key palm oil importing countries. Identity company Incode has inked a Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, with Spectrum Edge to accelerate digital transformation for Malaysian enterprises. The MOU, allowing businesses to adopt identification technology through facial recognition, will help enterprises provide more efficient services to customers.
When we enable a technology that can be accessed by businesses kat negara sini, you boleh, macam saya cakap tadi, selain daripada menembusi pasaran luar, penetrating other country, it also allow the business to reach out to customer yang sebelum ni diorang tak dapat.
Use case of Incode is mostly on government and financial, but it's not limit to those two industries. It can be any other commercial industry that requires fast approval, fast onboarding, fast recognition.
The technology will create joint offerings with products, services, and solutions that drive data-led transformation in Malaysia's public services and government-linked companies. With stringent compliance and security standards, the technology will drastically reduce security and fraud risk. The collaboration is also in line with government's approach to boost the country's economy by leveraging on digital technologies. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Sabrina Zainal. Thank you for investing your time with us.